Welcome to another Love RV24 trip, Alaska, tour number 21. We're leaving Denali Park, or the RV park today. It's going to travel about 250 miles and hopefully get to see Mount Denali. This is Denali RV Park and Motel. It rated about an 8 overall on my little scale. Bathhouses were awesome. They had showers and toilets all as one. Just a little tight spots. Also, they were supposed to be getting affiliated with KOA for next year and then in this year. So we'll see if that happens. So now we're traveling down Highway 3, heading to Anchorage, Alaska. And we get to leave the park. Beautiful road all the way. They do have some instructions. This is the Denali River, N-E-N-A River. We got our misfortune the last couple days. This is the Denali downtown. They call it the glitzy part. There's a couple of huge hotels that are run by the cruise lines, the Royal Caribbean, Holiday America, and Princess Cruises has huge hotels in this town. A part of their package deals for their cruising. And a lot of shops to the left and the right. We were told very good food all around. There's a restaurant on top of the hill that people loved. I don't recall the name, but I'll say it was Summit Restaurant. But it said it was really good. Everyone loved it. I got behind Ron and Lynn, and I noticed one of their doors are open on their right side of the rig. Can't tell the pictures here, but I called him on the radio and said, "Hey, I got a door open." So we stopped and blocked his way a little bit so he could get out and secure his compartment on the right side of his rig. It's great to be in a group because that way you're always helping each other out, and we do it multiple times on this 52-day trip. We help each other out on this journey, and it was a great journey. See RV tours and caravans, really good. Had a great time, and here we are still having a great time. We start cruising down the highway here, and we get information from our folks that are ahead of us that yes, you can see Denali today. The weather, you can tell, is fantastic. The roads are great. There's a pullover up ahead, a couple miles down the road, that yes, you will see Denali. And the ranger that's there doing a little guided tour stuff, people say it was the best weather they've had in the last couple of days, that you can see Denali, the east side, very well. So you can see a bunch of pictures of Denali. Only 30% of people traveling down Alaska get to see Denali. And it's a 20,000 foot elevation peak. And there she is in its glory. And like I said, a beautiful day on this day. And we're all packed in this little stop area to get our pictures and stuff in here. So we definitely get a chance to see Denali. And we get some people leaving and coming. That car right there would just move up just a bit, be better. So we get down the road, and there's always two seasons in Alaska. It's construction and winter, and so we get stuck with a little construction site up here, up the road, or in this case down the road, and we stop and off and on. So we get cruising down the road here, and we run into a little problem ourselves. There's a couple of members behind us, but my tire monitor started flashing and beeping and saying that my tire on our tow vehicle, the Honda Element, Manny, the left outside tire was starting to go low. Started at 30, it went down to 28, so it went down to 19 and 18, and so we pulled over, and the guys that just passing us said, "Hey, your tire looks low." Well, no kidding. Anyway, so there's no room for them to stop. They said they called later and said there was a truck stop about a mile up ahead if we want to tighten up or help out up there. Our tail gunner folks did stop behind us. It took us 20 or 30 minutes to do the tire. Luckily, it was on the tow vehicle, and that was great. Well, it's never great to get a flat, but anyway, it was on the tow vehicle. And so the hardest part is just unloading the stuff out of the back of the Honda. And you can't see it, but there's a little white thing there on the side wall of the tire. So anyway, we got that fixed, went to the truck stop, retorqued everything, make sure everything's fine, and made our way to our RV park for the night. A couple nights in Anchorage at the Golden Nugget RV Park. And this is the outskirts of Anchorage. And look, they're mowing the dirt. Anyway, RV park itself wasn't too bad. Getting into the park was a little shady. It seems like a shady area, but overall it was great. But they did tell you make sure everything's locked up, put your bikes away, etc. And they did have a gate that closed at night. Most of the stayed in here already. Their bathhouse is right there to the left, and their showers. You gotta make sure you know your turns very well and judge. Terry there in his rig didn't even know I was coming through. And then come through nice and easy. Then Ray came out. Ray's helped me to make sure I was straight. I wasn't gonna take out his car, but we just kept going in there. These sites weren't too bad. Not too bad at all. And we're there, we're straightened out, and voila. So we're here at the Golden Nugget RV Park in Anchorage, Alaska. The next day, well, that evening, later that afternoon, of course, we got the tire fixed on the Honda Element at Alaska Tire Centers. They're really good. It worked out great. I went to Whittier on an excursion jet ski trip. There's a lot of history in this town there. You got to go through a tunnel. It's a one-lane tunnel. It's with the train tracks in the middle. It was built before the 40s during the World War II. The Army Corps of Engineers built it. It's 2.5 miles long. They had it as the main route to get in and out of the town of Whittier during the war period because it's the only way in and out. And it's still the only way in and out of the town of Whittier. There's a lot of glaciers on top of that hill there. And yeah, it was another beautiful day. It got a little cloudy later on, but in our jet ski adventure, just me from our group, and 6 other people just happened to be there also. It was about a 40-minute jet ski ride to the glaciers. That is me on the jet ski. Very nice Sea-Doos. And we kind of cook around 40 miles an hour. We got to go, we touched the glacier also. And the town of Whittier. A lot of history. There's folks that actually live here. They live in a 10-story building that has 200 units. That's the units. And most of the town folks, summer and winter, live in that building. And that's where they stay. You got tunnels that go into for the schools and other places underground. And beautiful place. And heading out and get to see some just fantastic scenery in Alaska. Just freaking beautiful. Anyway, thank you for watching this quick RV adventures. More videos to come. Subscribe, comment, and like, and love and hug somebody.